Hi Ed, thanks for your mail. I'm really enjoying this program. It's awesome. Uh, how far am I? I'm working on my PDF, and I think it's going okay. But yeah, the 3 hours you have set up, I'm a very I really overthink the task. So I think that is my biggest struggle. Um, yeah, almost completed model two. What have I enjoy most? I really enjoy that this approach step by step. And what I have decided is just to do what is told, and I would say try not to overthink it. So that is my aim. Uh, the most difficult part is still this of working as fast as you asked me to. I think that's very hard for me, difficult at the moment. Yeah, I like to get some good ideas for that. Yeah, say I enjoyed the program. I think it's awesome. I am sure I will make a good product out of it, and I look forward to start up very soon to make some sales on this. So thank you, and I'll see you. Bye bye.